Hey guys, Ben Peel here, aka Botanical Fanatical, and today I'm going to talk to you about the famous 5 botanicals in gin making. Strap in. El numero uno is Juniper. Juniper is in gin by law, it has to be in there. It's the quintessential flavour and quintessential aroma of gin and my grandmother's perfume, but that's a whole different story. Botanical number 2 is Coriander Seed. Coriander Seed is in like 98% of the gins in the world, not by law but by necessity. What it does is it brings base notes of citrus to the palate where the lighter notes from your recipe finish off. After Coriander Seed, we've got Orris Root. It's famous in perfume making for creating longevity of aroma, bringing aromas together, and it has a nice floral violet kind of aroma. After that is Angelica Root, woody, vegetal, brings a bit of complexity. Then after that is Licorice Root. You can't distill sugar to make your gin sweet, so we have to use Licorice Root, known as distillers sugar. Have a great day, y'all.